Hello, good morning, guys, and welcome back to the channel with the new video, new openings, and new hopes. So, I'm requesting you guys, if you still not subscribe our channel, do subscribe and share this video or share these channel links as much as possible. Those are searching a job in software industry field. And before starting the video, I would like to give a notification regarding one of our guests coming on our channel. He is recently our subscriber, and he is recently placed in a software industry field, and he is from non-IT background. He is from BCom background, and he got placed with one of best company. I'm going to bring him in our channel on in this coming Thursday. Okay, so I will share that Google Meet link on our Telegram channel, Instagram, and YouTube channel. So do come on our live session with that industry expert, and you can ask your every questions, applying strategies, resume building process, and keywords, everything you can ask. Okay, so do share this video and the link of the live session as much as possible. Those are searching a job in software industry field. Okay, guys. Let's start with the today's openings with the company names, application procedure, and email IDs, everything. So do not skip the today's video. And requesting you, I am keeping the 500 like target for this video. So please do like the video. So let's start with the company name. The first company name is PwC Technologies. They are hiring for automation QA. The position name is automation QA, and it should be mentioned in your subject line. So experience, they are expecting 3 to 7 years. Notice period will be immediate joiner. Location will be Mumbai, Kolkata, Hyderabad, and Bangalore. So if you are interested and fulfill this criteria, you need to share your profile on praveen.kumar@pwc.com. Correct email ID with the correct spelling you can see on the screen. So let's move on the next company. The next company name is Fold Health. They are also hiring for automation QA and performance and API automation testing. Experience, they also expecting 3 to 7 years. Job location will be pan India. They have not disclosed any exact city location. If you are interested and fulfill this criteria, you need to share your profile on balraj@fold health. Correct email ID with the correct spelling you can see on the screen, guys. Okay, guys, let's move on the next company. The next company, or it might be a consultant, they are hiring for intern QA engineer. It's an internship position. Job type is internship. The working day will be 5 days. And please note that if unpaid internship, 2 months according to the performance in the internship period, candidates can be placed full-time employees. So if you are this is the 2 months free unpaid internship, you are good in your work, so they can be continue as a full employee. So interested candidate, they can share their profiles on jobs@resourcecreateclick.com. Correct email ID with the correct spelling you can see on the screen. Okay, guys. And important notification, guys, I am not a hiring person. I'm just sharing this information to the job seeker. If anyone asks money for the interview, it might be a fake. So do not pay a single rupees to anyone. Please make a note of it. Okay, guys. Okay. So let's move on the next company. The next company name is Smart Energy Autor. They are hiring for QA automation with the Selenium rest assured. They are expecting experience 2 to 5 years. Notice period will be 15 to 30 days. Means maximum 1 month they can wait for you if you are selected. So required main they are required 1 to 2 years of automation experience in mobile and iOS testing. Location will be Noida, and reference name will be Arpita Sharma. And if you are interested and fulfill this criteria, you need to share your profile on arpita.sharma@smartenergyautor.in. Correct email ID with the correct spelling you can see on the screen. So okay, let's move on the next company. Next company name is APIIT Solutions. They are hiring for Python automation QA. So the position name is Python automation QA. Experience, they're expecting 3+ years. Job location will be Noida, and it will be hybrid. and reference name is Aditi Druri. So correct. And if you are interested and fulfill this criteria, you need to share your profile on aditi.durvi at appisoftware.com. Correct email ID with the correct spelling you can see on the screen. Okay, guys. Let's move on the next company. The next company name is Xplarity Solutions Private Limited. They are hiring for QA lead and QA manager. The job location will be Pune and Sangli, Maharashtra. And if you are interested, you need to share your profile on careers at xplarity.com. Correct email ID with the correct spelling you can see on the screen. Okay. Let's move on the next company. The next company name is Sequelis Technologies. They are hiring for mobile application tester. Experience manual testing 1 to 4 years. Location will be Mohali. And if you are interested and fulfill this criteria, you need to share your profile on recruiters at sequelisis.co.uk. So correct email ID with the correct spelling you can see on the screen. Okay, guys. Let's move on the next company. The next company name is Kumran Systems. They are hiring for manual tester. Job location will be Chennai and Tamil Nadu. They are expecting manual testing, good communication and analytics skill. Banking domain should be added advantage. Good in QA processes. All process you should know about QA, and API testing and SQL in database testing. So if you are interested and fulfill this criteria, you need to share your profile on shalini.palani@kumran.com. Correct email ID with the correct spelling you can see on the screen. Okay, guys. Let's move on the next company. The next company name is FedEx System. They are hiring for a fresher. Job description or job role will be HR recruiter. So qualification will be zero. Qualification and experience. Experience they are expecting 0 to 2 years. Means fresher also can apply over here. Qualification any graduate and MBA will be preferred. Job location will be Chennai. So if you are interested and fulfill this criteria, you need to share your profile on careers at fedex.com. Correct email ID with the correct spelling you can see on the screen. Okay, guys. Let's move on the next company. The next company name is Jigsoft Technologies. They are hiring for position trainee QA analyst. So they have opening into QA analyst in their companies. Eligibility criteria IT and BTech from 2021 to 2023 pass outs only. So ready to sign 2 years of bond. They are expecting 2 years of bond. If you are ready to do a 2 years of bond, you can share your profile on dipali.kamble@jigsoft.co.in. So correct email ID with the correct spelling you can see on the screen. Okay. Dipali.kamble@jigsoft.co.in is the correct email ID. So you can go and apply over there. Okay, let's move on the next company. The next company name is Thinkitive Technologies. They are hiring for manual testing. The position name is QA manual testing. It should be mentioned in your subject line while you sending the resume to the recruiter. Okay, experience they are expecting 1 to 3 year. Job location will be Pune, and notice period will be immediate to 30 days. Means maximum 30 days they can wait for you. So interested candidate they can share their profiles on careers@thinkitive.com. Correct email ID with the correct spelling you can see on the screen. Okay, guys. Okay, there is one more opening, guys, for manual testing, and it will be a work from home. So most of people are asking me for work from home. This is the work from home position, and job role will be test analyst. Skills they are expecting manual testing, and experience they are expecting a 1+ year, and it's a fully remote. It's a work from home. So if you are interested and fulfill this criteria, you need to share your profile on email ID which is showing on the screen. Okay, guys. Let's move on the next company. The next company name is, they are expecting ETL test engineer, and the job code will be 240853, and I have given the link in description, so you can check out the description and apply accordingly. Sorry, the company name I forget to tell you. The company name is Hexaware. Hexaware is hiring for test analyst data ETL testing. Okay, guys, that application link I have given in the description, so please check out the description, apply accordingly. Okay, guys, I already informed you around 15 plus companies today. And important is, guys, please attend the live session which is going held on Thursday in the evening. I will share correct timing and Google Meet link on the Telegram, Instagram, and YouTube as well. So do follow us on Instagram, Telegram, and YouTube. So you can ask your question with real time industry expert. Okay, so let's finish this video, and hope so you will come in the live session with our guest. So thank you so much for watching the video. We will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.